Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, Certified Master Tech out of Reading, PA. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to replace a window drive cable. Now these window drive cables, in essence, is just basically your window regulator. A lot of these newer doors, newer vehicles, they have a cable that runs them instead of a track up and down. But you'll simply, I've already taken the screws out of this door panel. All you got to do is just basically pull your door panel off, get a good grip on it. And once you get all of them popped off, you're going to reach in here and door cable rods and your switch connector. Set your door panel off to the side. Then you want to take your bolts off for your window regulator here. Now, unfortunately, a lot of these regulators that are run by a cable, unfortunately, you can't really repair them too much. A lot of times you get them replaced in a section. They're not really all that expensive. You usually pick them up for under $50 to $100. Unless you go to the dealer, then you're probably talking $150, $200. But on the aftermarket level, you can probably pick them up for under $100. You want to separate it off the clip from the window, which is sometimes a little easier said than done. Just basically try to work the little bugger out. And that's basically all there is to it in replacing a power window drive cable.